Alright, part 2. So in this one we're going to be talking more theoretical slopes. So it says the students will find slope from graphs, tables, and ordered pairs. Slope, just like rate of change, is the ratio of the change in the y value to the change in the x value. Ratio, I think I mentioned last video, is a fraction. How does y value change to how does the x value change? So find the slope of the line passing through each ordered pair. Instead of using the slope formula, I have found sometimes it is just easier to use a table. So I have -4, 3, 2, 5. So the change from going to 3 to 5 is +2. Change going from -4 to +2, so from -4 to 0 is 4, 2 more makes 6, so it's going to be 2/6, which if you don't know how to reduce that, you just put that in the calculator, 2 divided by 6, and it gives you 1/3. I find that to be easier. You're still using the slope formula, but I find it easier for you guys to understand that a little bit better. So x, y, 1, -3, 3, 5. So going from -3 to 5, so that's going to be +8. From 1 to 3 is +2. So y8 over 2x, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so you can pause the video now and go ahead and try this one on your own and then replay the video and see how you did. Alright, so you should have paused it and returned. So x of -8, y of 11, x of 24, y of -9. So going from +11 to -9 is a decrease, and it is a decrease of 20. Going from -8 to 24 is an increase of 32. Okay, so that's -20 over 32, which again, if you're not sure what that is in reduced form, put in the calculator -20 divided by 32, and we get -5/8. So hopefully that's going to help you with slope if you've been struggling with it in the past. Alright, let's look at some graphs. So again, something else that I find it easier to understand is the first thing you want to look at is what type of slope it has. Positive versus negative. You guys know what those lines look like. A positive line is looking like that. A negative sloping line is looking like that. So if you just understand that you're going to have a positive or negative slope, then it's just counting. So here, we're going to use that point, and it looks like that point there. If I look at this line here, it's sloping downward like that one. So I know my slope is going to be negative. Now, how do I get from here to here? I move 1, 2, 3. That's my rise. And I move 1, 2. That's my run. Right? This is rise over run. That's already reduced as far as it can go, so there's my slope. So with this one, we're going to use that point, and it looks like that point right there. Okay? So again, this is a negative sloping line, right? That is negative. That one there is also negative. So I know my answer is going to be negative, and then it's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Well, -4/1 is -4. Alright, so there's your video. Complete the second problem set, and if you have any questions, let me know.